Machine learning is the most important term in modern artificial intelligence. If AI is the car, then machine learning is the engine that makes it run. Understanding how this engine works is essential knowledge for every business leader today.
Traditional programming means humans write explicit rules for computers to follow. Machine learning completely flips this approach. Humans provide data to learn. The computer system then discovers the rules by itself through analysis.
Imagine teaching a child to recognize cats. You do not explain fur patterns, ear shapes, and whisker configurations. Instead, you show many pictures of cats until the child learns naturally. Machine learning works exactly this same way.
The machine learning system analyzes thousands or millions of examples, finding patterns that humans might miss entirely. More quality data generally means better learning results. Data is the fuel that powers machine learning engines. Amazon product recommendations use machine learning extensively. The system learned customer buying patterns by analyzing millions of past transactions. No human programmer wrote rules for each possible recommendation. Data taught the system. Business applications of machine learning need three essential things: relevant historical data to learn from, a clear definition of what success means, and sufficient computing power to process everything. Missing any one creates problems. Machine learning lets computers learn from examples rather than following rules humans programmed explicitly. This means your data becomes your competitive advantage in AI. Better data quality leads directly to better AI results. Machine learning is your foundation concept. Next video breaks down three main types of machine learning and explains when each type applies best to different business problems. Practical knowledge for real decisions.